Hello guys, welcome back to Salesforce Anytime channel. Did you ever wanted to set up some test data onto your new sandbox that is created just from production, or even deploy some of your configuration data from one org to another, for example from dev to QA? Then how did you do that? So in case of me, I actually use data loader. I used to download the data from data loader and then upload it to the org which I want to upload it, right? But it gets very complex in case you have like bunch of related objects, for example accounts, its contacts and opportunities, right? So in that case, how do you do that? So you have to first upload accounts, right? And then you would upload its contacts, right? With the updated the account ID on each of the contact record, right? So in this case you have to manage update the CSVs and use some VLOOKUPs in order to in order to provide the updated account IDs for the contacts, right? So this task becomes very tedious if you do it manually. So what if we can automate this, right? And we can automatically just select the objects and just deploy it, right? Within few clicks, instead of managing it on your desktop and doing VLOOKUPs and all that mess, right? So instead of that, I'm going to show you a way how you can do this using PackMagic. So let me just type it in here. So either I can call this as data seeding or data deployer. It does the same thing. So in case of new sandbox, you can call it as data seeding. But if it's existing sandbox, you call it as data deployer. Like if you want to move it like up in the DevOps cycle, like from dev to QA, you call it as data deployment, right? But if you have set up a new sandbox and then you want to set up some test data from UAT to your sandbox, then it's like a down the chain, right? So it's kind of a data seeding. So I'm selecting source org as my default org which I'm logged into, and then target org as QA. If you don't have already logged into the target org, just go to the settings and connections to log into this org, and then select the primary object for which you want to create the data. So one good thing about this is that you can also provide a where clause for the accounts you want to load it into target, because otherwise it's going to randomly select any account records. So I'm going to select account and contacts just for demo. And then we got to click on this get object details. So essentially this is going to get all of the fields. It's going to take a minute. Okay, now we got the object details. We have to select the operation we want to perform. So in this case I'm going to perform an upsert operation, meaning that if an account is found, then just update it. If it's not found, then create it. The other operations like create, if you always want to create those records into the target sandbox irrespective it exists or not, and some other are like lookup only for lookup fields, and then update obviously for update only. So I'm going to select upsert, which is most safer way. And then you can provide the upload order. For example, if you have multiple objects here, then you want to provide the order in which they should be uploaded to the target org. So the order is helpful because once you upload the accounts then the account IDs, the new account IDs would be used for uploading the contacts. So automatically it will be done, so you don't have to worry about this. Also, you have to make sure that the lookup by field, whatever you give, right, that must have the unique data into it. At this point, I don't have any unique fields in my account. I'm just kind of, for demo, I'm providing it name, but I might find some duplicates by this name, so I might get some errors. And you can actually provide a combination of multiple fields. If you have like combination of two fields like name, and then we have dunce number, etc., like this custom field or something like this, you can provide that as well, which will automatically get the unique records by these two fields. But at this point I'm going to use only one field for the simplicity of the demo, and then click on the deploy object data to the target org. So this is going to take a minute or two. You can sit back and relax and watch out for any errors in this space. So here we go. So like I said, you must be thoughtful about the unique field names you are going to give. So here I gave name, account names, and apparently it has multiple accounts with this name in the target org, United Oil Corporation, Oil and Gas Corporation. So because of that, it's not able to upsert the account record. So let me go back and let me ensure that whatever account records I'm providing, they are unique. So I'm going to just type in the criteria for this. So this is my criteria. So it's going to copy only one account record, and its contact records. So let me the object again. It's going to take a minute or two. So now we got that the object information. Again, we have all this information filled up already. So now it's going to work on that filter criteria, and only take that records which I used in the filter criteria. So let me now click on this deploy again. It's going to copy the records from source org, deploy to the target org. So this process might take few minutes, so you want to sit back and relax as it takes on each object one by one and copies it over. Okay, now we got like some results here. So as you can see, account has been updated as it was already existing there, and since contact is also remaining, so it's going to process it and display it here. So for some reasons I don't see a processing icon here, but it should be showing up here somewhere. So now it has processed both of these objects. So however objects you have, right, those will be displayed here one by one, and you can see the results of the data deployment here. So you can see these are deployed, and if you want to verify the results in detail, just click on select this one and download selected batch results. And now you can open it in Excel. And you can see this account has been updated from your source org to target org. Same way you can also download this one also, same thing. So only thing is, now since I have already have this records already present in the target org, they were updated. But if you don't have them, like these would have been insert operations, and then like they would be set up in the target org, like a sandbox, new sandbox, right? Or even data deployment, it will be deploying from source org to target org. So that's what I wanted to show you in this demo. For simplicity of this, I just kept only single records, but obviously you could use for multiple records, maximum of 20 records for the PackMagic free tier. And then this is going to definitely help you. Please let me know if your questions, any questions, put in the video or email us at the PackMagic support@thepackmagics.com, or put your feedback in this contact us, help contact us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know.